To get jumped. Now they're flying. Oh fuck.
Are they coming?
We got one.
I was gonna say we got one.
I think that's the one I hit.
I was gonna say I led one real good. There might be two though. I led one.
I this ring his neck. Just pick him up and dead birds. Just grab them and do this. I'm pretty sure I hit this one.
Like I said, I'm pretty sure this is the one.
It
was like the fourth one back, and as soon as I shot, it hit the wall.
Yeah, because whenever this one was right above me, I shot, and then he hit over here.
Hey, look for band.
Last year. shot two of them in one shot.
Bussin'. Alright.
There's two of them. Oh, that's getting deep quick. Ah.
Yeah, I'm over my boots.
Huh?
Oh, is that goose?
I can't tell. If it is, it ain't moving. It might be bottomed down.
What?
Yeah.
Can you come here?
Yeah.
I'm gonna put my gun down on this tree right here and I'm gonna go where we want.
Okay.
Definitely is. But if I come around and put my gun somewhere, I'm gonna fucking hold it.
I'll just... Oh,
You're just playing my gun when you go.
okay.
I mean, shit, we gotta walk back in there, huh?
I think that's a goose. Got us a couple geeses. Shep's out here taking a nap. Got the goose meat from the goose I shot earlier. Me and some guys went out and shot some geese earlier. But here they are. I'm gonna cut them up and make some jerky with them tomorrow. Okay, so I got my goose breasts out on my fancy cutting board I made freshman year in high school. And I'll cut them up and show you what it looks like after. Alright, so I'm just taking these breasts and I'm just gonna cut them and strips is how I want them. Take them, if it's too big, just slice it down so you get like a thin, something like that. However you want it. There's no right or wrong way to do this. You just, whatever you like. Like, I like them like that. I'll take that and cut it in another strip. Get you one of those. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing here. But I need a little bit of a sharper knife. Let's get me a nice pile of it here. Just like that, just thin strips, or however thick you want it. Just leave that one like that. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. Well, I got the jerky in there. Usually use a Worcestershire sauce, but I don't have any, so I'm just gonna do what I usually do, just put lemon juice in there. Lemon juice, and then I'm gonna try something different. I'm gonna put some Old Bay. Sorry for that bad camera work. And then just a little bit more. And then I'm gonna take some black pepper because I like it spicy. So put a good bit of that in there. And then put just a little bit of Lowry's in there. And that's how I'll do it, and I'll see how it tastes.